Well, hello, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. Jiu-Jitsu 2000 here today. I'm back. I hope you guys are doing fantastic out there. In this short video here today, I want to talk about an honorable mention from Olight that I think a lot of people are overlooking. And this thing's fantastic. I did a video review of this light about 6 years ago. I did another follow-up review talking about this light when it was on sale. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at a brand new one that I just brought in. This is the PL Mini 2. And this thing is fantastic. If you guys are missing this light, what are you waiting for? Let's get this on the bench and let's open it up. We're not going to review it. We're just going to look at it real quick, see what the differences are in packaging. And this thing is awesome for your handgun. It's 600 lumens. So 6 years ago, I did a product review of this light, and it has been working fantastic. I haven't had any problems with it. You get a maximum brightness of 600 lumens, and this thing puts out 100 meters of throw. Now they're offering a lifetime warranty, so if you did not buy one then, you could probably pick one up now. This goes on your handguns, your rifles, your shotguns, anything with a Picatinny rail. You pull this out. Thank you for being a part of our Olight family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy, Olight team. There's nothing in the box. You open this up. I'm going to go through this very quickly. Like I said, this is not a product review. This is just a quick look at what you guys can get. Safety warnings. You have a 1913 Picatinny rail that's already installed on the optic, and you have a Glock insert that can be used and installed. You have the tool right there. You do get some information here of the Valkyrie 2. This thing is wonderful. You get 600 lumens, and then it steps down after a minute down to 60 lumens. For an hour of runtime, you get 100 meters of throw, 2,500 on the Candela. It's IPX6 water resistant, so that means this thing can withstand heavy rain from any direction. It's fantastic. 1 meter of impact. There are the dimensions: 2.07 inches by 1.26 inches by 1.28 inches, and it weighs 2.57 ounces. Very easy to charge. It turns red, it turns green, and then you turn the thing on. It's very simple. This is a special charger. As you can see right there, it says the words special. So this is a nice charger because it's a different battery. But here's the one from 6 years ago, and here's the one that is offered today. And like I said, folks, I have not had one lick of problems with my PL Mini 2. It's one of my favorite lights. The magnetic charging is just like the flashlights, except you have a special charger because this has a lithium polymer battery. So you have the Glock insert in this one here, and this new one, it looks like they're including the 1913 insert. So you can see that right there. It's just a little bit wider than the Glock one. So you would take, and I'm not going to show a handgun in the video today. YouTube kind of frowns on that. So what you would do is when you push this, you can see the far side over here by my index fingers goes away. You can slide this up and down this rail system. The new one is the same exact thing. It's the same light. It slides up and down this rail system. So you would get this thing mounted, like I usually do this thing kind of forward. I'll slip this onto my pistol, this on the rail, and then I'll slide this back until it hits the trigger guard, and then you lock it in place and you're mounted. You turn it on, you got 600 lumens. There's the new, there's the old. These things are fantastic. They're IPX6. I mean, this is an excellent light. If you have a handgun and you want something solid on your light, it stays tight on the gun, you don't have any problems. It does have momentary or constant on, so you can, if you push and just hold it, when you let off, it turns off. Or, so that the new one does that as well. You have ambidextrous switches, or you can just click it and the light turns on, click it and the light turns off. This is fantastic, folks. If you're interested in the PL Mini 2, it's still going strong. I've dropped it. I've even accidentally taken it underwater, even though it's an IPX6. It was my bad, but I did that and it held up. It's still here today to talk about it. Now, I'm not saying that you need to do that. I'm just saying I made a mistake and it's still going strong. So this is a good light. The only thing that I wish was different is I wish it would use the normal chargers, but it don't. So if you have one of these and you lose your charger or something like that, or it breaks, contact customer service at Olight, and I think they would work with you on getting you a new charger. So with all that being said, folks, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of this brand new PL Mini 2 that's been going strong for over 6 years. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave comments down below, like this video, share this video, and until next time, have a beautiful day. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now, everybody.